This is my bigatin zone leader, Elder Halim. Batch ko siya. Ano masasabi mo?
Good luck sa pag-uwi mo. Mabait talaga si Sir Ayop. Wala kang problema. As in, cool siyang kasama.
Okay, thank you, Elder. How about Elder Gavin? This is zone leader.
Asar Talo.
Asar Talo. Lagi homie. Sige. This is my district leader, Elder Fabroa. Ano gusto mo sabihin?
Makulit si Sir Ayop. Ano ba? Masipag si Sir Ayop.
Okay.
Mabait siya talaga.
Okay.
Kahit may konting kapasikan yun. Pero totoo yan.
Sige.
Masipag siya.
Okay. Elder Valle, this is my third zone leader, senior.
Good morning po. Sabi guys sa Ayop, hindi ko pa alam, pero kaya siya kasama, maraming natutunan sa kanya. And sabi ko, invite mo ako sana. Sige, kumusta mo ako sa kanya?
Okay, kumusta ka, Kwan? This is Elder Meller. My friend. Hi, dude. Hi, dude. Just say 2 words.
2 words.
Hi, hey!
Hi, hey, what's up, dude?
Faster!
Nothing, wala.
Okay, wala. This is Elder Owens, my, kabilang district leader. Superman. Say 2 words.
You gave Elder Olsen
Okay. Thank you. And this is Elder Garcia from Jensen.
2 words.
2 words.
Pag-inyot na, pag-ulit.
Okay. And this is Elder Neil. The baby of the soul, Neil.
No.
Neil. Bisaya, man good. Sobrang matangkad. No, faster.
Please tell you how to say his name.
No, just say that. Elder, this is Elder Taylor, the Copa missionary. Just say 2 words for me.
Elder Hernandez from the Greek.
No. Yes.
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 Just making a video.
Yes, it's a video.
We're gonna miss you.
Yes. Thank you, Elder Taylor. Bye. This is my friend, Elder Hernandez. Sobrang malaki talaga yung tulong niya sa akin.
Kumusta?
Mabuti.
Alam ko mamimiss mo ako.
Oo.
Pero taga Metro Manila ka lang. So, sigurado ako makikita ka.
Okay.
Invite mo na lang ako sa, sa Touch Mobile.
Okay. Thank you, Elder. And this is Sister Honorides.
Good luck sa negosyo mo.
Oo, sa Botijaryo.
Botijaryo. Ito pa.
At